What will the government do in order to bring fairness for everyone?
So I feel like compensation should be done. It's just my opinion actually, because we have seen many Garo in many departments. There are few Garos. So at least let the balance should be there. Because from the beginning, from the start only, it's like 40%. So it's not based on the population, no. That is
Revamp on review of the
but why
research
now?
report.
Why suddenly now? They should have taken up the issue long time back. That means nobody had a problem with that. Huh? It's been going on for so many years. Kasi Jaintia 40%, Garo 40%. So they should have taken up the issue long
Make
time
it
back.
equal, I was telling him. All three, make it equal. If Kynjatshai also they want to have their own group, no? I mean their own tribe. Then Garo also, then Kasi also. Make it equal for all three. That will be the best solution, in my view.
I think some of the people around there thinking that Garos are getting more of the opportunity because only one Garo. It's not like that. We are also quite big in numbers nowadays, in population source. See, every community have their own demands. So in order to bring the balance, in order to equalize, so that those who are socio-economically and academically backward, they should also come in balance with the others. Having Khasi, Jaintia tribe, we Garos are also having lots of, just now we have discussed sub-tribes, right? But we don't have any division in Garo community. Means from all the sub-tribes we are termed as one. So we are called Garos or Achaks.
Look, because the Garo people, they are left behind. Many Garos, we have seen that they are jobless. Why? Because because the jobs which they are supposed to be getting has been taken over. And we have seen in many departments, in each and every department, when we actually, I'm just saying the fact actually. Yes, there was a talk, like, because they said, I think I just read in some recent newspaper, they were saying, because on the time when they had given an advertisement, the Garos were minimum, means the people who had actually applied for the job was minimum. So that's the reason why those extra posts were given to that was a justification they gave. Let them do the evaluation from the previous years, whether there was really enough Garo candidates were they really given or not. So let them do that. Post has been taken up by the Khasis. I'm just being fair. Okay, so the Garos are left out because there was no, that roster system wasn't carried out.
The roster go back retrospective, fill up, will be compensated now. That's what
Exactly, yes.
will be compensated now. Do you think that's fair to compensate from what was lacking 10 years, 20 years back to compensate now?
That's what I'm saying.
Do you think it's
fair?
fair?
Do the evaluation whether there was really enough candidates, Garo candidates, or was there or not to fill up the post, but they were not given. So they need to do that. The balance should be there, because if there is 10 posts, just 2 Garo candidates are being filled up and 8 candidates are being filled up. That's not fair. Just being honest. I'm just being fair. So I guess what he's doing is correct. And I think everybody is supporting him. Why are they supporting? Because they know that he's doing right.
See it?
The CM, of course. Not just the Garo community, even the Khasi. We have seen the MLAs from the Khasi community. They are also supporting him. Why? Because they know that whatever he is doing is right. He said, I'm not being biased.
Like what the respected people have been talking about, that we should have equal only. That's my view. Khasi, Jaintia and Garo, all three should have the same.
Criticizing one community and going against one community, I think that's not being fair. Let the Garo people also, let them get their share. So that's just my opinion.